Today we're going to be conducting a wash test for one of our clients to determine the ability of our 1536 SPW scale parts washer to remove the client's soils from feeder pans and from buckets. The 1536 SPW is one of the units that we have in inventory for this particular purpose. It happens to be equipped with a ramp. It can also be installed in a pit. The door on this particular wash test unit happens to be see-through. The standard door would be solid stainless steel, and it has a double skin on the inside as well. The floor of the machine covers the wash tank. The wash tank is recirculated, normally a recirculated detergent wash that sprays wash solder through rotating wash arms located on both sides of the machines. These wash arms are water driven. The wash cycles are 4, 6, or 8 minutes in duration, depending upon whether you select a short, medium, or long wash cycle button. The control panel also has gauges to monitor operation, wash temperature, wash pressure, and rinse temperature. Okay, this particular wash rack is designed to hold the buckets as well as the feeder pans. There's prongs for the buckets to support them, and then there's a shelf for the feeder pans. Racks are designed for various capacities in different scale manufacturers. The wash rack is rolled up the ramp, pushed into the wash chamber. The door is closed, and one of 3 different wash cycles is selected: short, medium, or long, 4, 6, or 8 minutes. Go ahead, Tim. Wash water is recirculated through the wash chamber, in this case by a 15 horsepower pump at approximately 300 gallons a minute. Okay, we're coming to the end of the wash cycle. Timer's counting down. As it counts down to 0, the wash pump will quit, and then the rinse will kick in for 30 seconds. The rinse coming from its separate tank at 180 degrees to provide sanitizing without the use of chemicals. The rinse timer will count down to 0. And at the end of that time, the steam extraction fan will kick on, vacate the steam out of the cabinet so the parts are ready to unload. As you can see, the cabinet's been vacated so you don't have a big puff of steam in your face when you unload the rack. The rack can now be pulled out. We'll inspect the parts for cleanliness. As we expected, cleaning's really not an issue with these scale parts washers. What's interesting to note, it was in a very few seconds. Containers give up their heat. They flash dry in a very short period of time.